What's new, everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tapo Video Doorbell Mini, also known as the D205. It's a 2K video doorbell that is battery powered. It does have person detection, 160-degree field of view, diagonal, two-way audio, and instant app notifications. It does have 512 gigabytes of local storage if you put in a memory card. It's got an IP54 water and dust resistance rating, a little lower than your typical IP65, and it does have night vision, although not color night vision. Here is some of the technical specs. Let me get the cellophane off actually before we finish. There we go, now we can read a little better. Okay, so we got the model number, 160-degree diagonal. It is 2K, two-way audio. Night vision, says black and white up to 25 feet. It does use 2.4 gigahertz wireless. Power source is built-in rechargeable batteries. They are lithium ion and it has a USB port for charging. And again, it says the weather rating IP54. So the internal batteries last up to 180 days. Goes over the features again. One of the features is preset responses. Here's what's included in the box and some of the features again. Get the doorbell, some mounting brackets, the 3M adhesive, a foam pad, mounting screws and anchors, with the USB cable, the mounting template, and your quick start guide. And it has some of the features again. It mentions that's wire free because it uses a rechargeable battery. It's compatible with your typical assistants here, and you don't have the Tapo app, go here to get it. Bottom's got your serial number and regulatory information. That to that to that. And the top says as a 1-year warranty. Let's go ahead and get this open. Alright, so right on top you got your quick start guide, the new public license, adhesive and foam pad, and your template, the doorbell itself. It's pretty bulky. The ring button reminds me of the first gen Wise doorbells. That you got your angled mounting bracket, below that you got your USB charging cable and your mounting hardware. I don't think that's anything, nope. Alright, so that is what comes in the box. Now that we know what comes in the box, let's take a look at our quick start guide and get this set up. I'm not going to be mounting it right now, so I'm going to move this out of the way. Open. Remove the brackets, charge the doorbell before use, and then set it up. Let's hope it has some charge, and we'll just get set up right now. So it said remove the bracket. Alright, to remove the bracket, you slide it down. There we go. So I was able to do that with my thumb, just press right there and press down. It pops. got the screw already attached to the bottom. There we go. So with the screw taken out, you can just slide that right off. It's got the reset button. There's where the USB port and SD card go. Alright, so let's go to add device. Go to doorbell. The D205. Press and hold the sync reset for 3 seconds to power up your device. Okay. 1001, 1002, 1003. Go.
Doorbell on.
So it's already red and green. Oh, yeah. Red and green. Enable Bluetooth. Yes, we'll allow it. Your Wi-Fi, put in the password.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Alright, we'll leave the name as is. Defaults to office. I don't know how many people have a doorbell in their office. Residential anyways. Let's say we'll put in a doorbell in the doghouse there. Alright, complete. Sounds good. Don't need the 30-day trial. Got it. Update in the middle of the night there. The SD card. I don't have an SD card right now. Okay, if you want an SD card later, you have to remove your doorbell to insert it. Okay. Find desired location where to mount it. We're not mounting this right now. Use the wedge if you need to. And there's how to attach it. You attach it to the back of this. So if this is facing this way, it goes over like that. Just slides in and then do the screws appropriately and the screw through there. We're not mounting it at all right now. Testing Wi-Fi signal and preview. Says my network's unstable. There we go. So, take a look outside here. It's got a pretty good wide view, 160 degrees. So you can mount it with the adhesive, this, or you can mount it using the hardware. So I don't need to know how to mount it, but I'll walk through it so you guys can take a look. Holes, fix the bracket, slide on the doorbell. If you're doing the adhesive, you stick the adhesive on the back of the bracket, stick it to the wall. secure the doorbell. So put this back on. Then you put the screw to secure it. Alright, so every time you need to charge it, you'll have to take that screw out off the mount. Take it inside, plug in the USB. It takes about 7 hours to charge. Alright, we're all set. You can pair it with the chime, you can pair it with the hub. Neither come with the doorbell. I don't have one either. Alright, so it'll tell you the charge there is 48%. Go into the doorbell. I'll guide you through it. It's 3 megapixel 2K. Automatically switch to power save mode to save battery. Update it. So yeah, it's got that flashing white light while it's updating the firmware. Alright, stopped flashing. It's rebooting now, the red light. Should be powered on just a second here. There we go. Alright, we're powered on. It's got the solid white light. Oh, not quite. I don't know if it updated or not. Okay, so that's how you set up your Tapo doorbell. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.